Hello students, let us continue our chapter Understanding Our Criminal System. In the first module of this chapter, we try to understand our criminal justice and also see that there are four key players of this criminal justice, that is the police, public prosecutor, we can say the lawyer and defense lawyer and the judge. Now we done in first part the role of the police in investigation and the article 22 which guarantees to every arrested person some fundamental rights which we discussed. Now let us come to the next part, that is the lawyer or public prosecutor. What is the role of the public prosecutor? You can say also the role of the lawyer. Public Now who is a public prosecutor? Public prosecutor is a lawyer who represent the interest of the state, means who represent in front of the court the interest of the country or the government or the state. He is from the state side and represents state interest. He or she conduct the prosecution in the court on the behalf of the state, and as I said you that in which he represents the interest of the state. There is no role of public prosecutor in the investigation. For investigation from state side, it is the police who do investigation, as we discussed in our first part also. While with the help of those investigation, this public prosecutor represent the interests of the state. It is his or her duty to act impartially in the court and also present the full facts and evidences which help the judge to take the right judgment. So actually it is the public prosecutor who help the judge or the judiciary for taking the right judgment. Now here we can see picture of a judge. This is the another who play a key role in it. What is the role of the judge? It is the judge whose play or whose role like an umpire to conduct the whole trial totally impartially. He listened both the sides. He or she, means the judge, hears all the witnesses and the evidences present by both the both the lawyers in the court. He hear it carefully and analyzes all these things, give equal importance to each and everything. While during the whole trial, for the judge, the accused is an innocent person and he or she treat him like an innocent person till the judgment doesn't come. It is the judge who decides whether the accused is guilty or innocent. Accused, as we discussed already, means the person whom police arrested. That person is known as accused person till the person is not decided whether the person is guilty or innocent. He is known as he or she is known as accused. And now this is how we see the role of the police, lawyers, and judge in our criminal justice systems. Now, how can we say that they through all these things the judgment or the system goes totally fair? That is what we will do in this part. What is a fair trial? Here comes the role of Article 21, which guarantees right to life to each citizens. Now, what are those points which comes in it? Here means the state. It states, right to life states that a person's life or liberty can be taken away only by a following, which we discuss now, reasonable and a legal procedure. Otherwise, these things will never be taken. Or whenever anything will be done by the judiciary or the police, they go according to the legal process. Now, what is those Article 21 and a fair trial ensure? The accused has to be given a copy of the charge sheet prepared by the police and all other evidences that the prosecution presented against the accused person. He has the right to take the copy of all these things so that he can protect himself and fight the trial. The trial has to be held in an open court where all are allowed, means the main purpose is it should be fair so any can see it, like the relatives and the well-wishers can attend the court, and even the correspondents of different presses or media can attend the court. The trial has to be held in presence of the accused. Not only the accused is present in the court, but the accused has to be defended by a lawyer. An accused can also hire a lawyer who can represent his views. As I said you that the judge assumed the accused to be an innocent. It is the duty of the prosecution to prove that he is innocent or not, and also help the judge to take the right decisions. The judge always remains impartial So this is how we see in our criminal justice systems, the whole trial goes totally in a fair manner, where we try to give equal justice to all. It doesn't mean that the eyes of the judgment or the judiciary is blind, but for them all other are equal and they play their role impartially. So this impartialness is showing by this ban on their eyes, means the whole judgment goes totally fair. That is what we try to understand our criminal justice in this chapter. Any kind of doubt and problem if you face, you can send your comment to me, or you can visit to my blog also, which is bipindogra.blogspot.in. Thank you, students.